First, lift up the coil with crane or forklift and put the coil into decoiler support arm. Place the coil in the center line of the line. Turn rotary switch into manual. Then turn rotary switch into expand to expand the inner diameter of coil. Turn rotary switch to arm down to put the press arm down. Put the fixing blade to prevent the coil from being thrown out by the centrifugal force during running. By manual mode, you can adjust the direction of rotation of the decoiler. Turn rotary switch into auto, the decoiler will run automatically. You can turn adjust speed knob to adjust running speed if you need.